कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं।
तो अगर आप लोग पहली बार चैनल को विजिट कर रहे हो तो मस्ट एक काम कीजिए। देखिए यहाँ पे एक लाल कलर का सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है, उस पर क्लिक कर दीजिए पहली बार, और क्लिक हो जाने के तुरंत बाद यहाँ पे एक नोटिफिकेशन बटन का भी लिंक मिलेगा आपको, उसके ऊपर भी क्लिक करके ऑल पे क्लिक कर दीजिए और नोटिफिकेशन को भी ऑन कर लीजिए। थैंक यू।
So hey, hello to all my viewers. I am Akash and I just in this video we are talking about the number division which you face in your IIT-JEE exam in 2021 and for the 2022 students also. So we just divide the chemistry topic in this video. We just divide about the chemistry topic. In our next videos we are coming with the physics number division and the chemistry number division. So you know all you know that things that chemistry topic is divided into the three subtopics, which is known as the inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry and physical chemistry. So at first I came with the subtopic with the inorganic chemistry. Under this topic we just look at the number division, and after the inorganic chemistry we just talk about the organic chemistry and physical chemistry as follows. Okay, so let's start with this video. So at first we know that the chemical bonding, so we see the chemical bonding in the inorganic chemistry. The first subtopic under the inorganic chemistry, that is the the chemical bonding. So in chemical bonding in the last few years it have seen that the 2 marks two questions come from that topic, where the total marks is 8 marks. And you see the D block, F block, the block chemistry, where the D block and F block, it is in the class 12th syllabus. So here there is 2 questions from this topic, and here the 8 marks from the topic. And again for the P block, which is in the 11th syllabus, from there is a 1 question come where the number division is 4. In chemical kinetics, another vital and very important chapter for all of you. Here there is a 2 question again from this chapter, and that is the 8 marks which is from that chapter. And in coordination chemistry, if you see there's a coordination chemistry, so here once again 1 question come from this topic, and where there is the content 4 marks. So from this analysis, inorganic chemistry analysis, you just understand which chapter is much more important for all of you, and which for which chapter you have to focus. आपको ज्यादा जो है फोकस करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so this is the inorganic number division. We just come with the organic number division. We just talk about later. We just talk about the inorganic chemistry. So inorganic number division. So now we just talk about the organic number division. So in organic number division, I just tell you what is the important topics under the organic chemistry. And organic chemistry in 11th and 12th, you just prepare by looking over that topics. Okay, so you have to see the total number division, where you see in organic chemistry the first one is the aromatic compound. This is a basic chapter, and from this chapter you must have to get, I just write here 1 to 2 questions. 1 to 2 questions you have to get from that chapter, which is in 4 marks. Okay, in the carbohydrates, here I just write carbohydrates, but not only carbohydrate, you have to get haloalkanes, haloadenes, some stereochemical question, some name reactions, and all these things. I just write here the carbohydrates, but there is not only carbohydrate here. The carbohydrates plus haloalkanes, haloadenes, plus aldehydes, and all these things are punch up. I not tell that chapter. I just subtopic. I just tell the carbohydrates, but all these topics are carbohydrates, name reaction. All these topics, if we punch up them, and from there is a 3 question. These are very important chapters. These chapters, some of the chapters: alkane, alkene, alkynes, haloalkane, haloadine, carboxylic acids, or aldehydes. So from all these chapters, you can get 3 questions. From 3 to 4 or 3 to 5 questions you can get from this chapter. These 5 chapters are very important, so you have to look these chapters, because one of the major number in organic chemistry come from that chapter. And I just recommend you to read the name reactions carefully, because the name reactions in every year always be written in the JEE main examination. Okay, in the GOC, General Organic Chemistry, there is one question. GOC, just in every year this is a basic question in GOC level. You know that question, you have to answer right. So you don't know about what is the GOC, then you just go to my playlist and there you can get the GOC video. I make the video about the GOC for the students. It's a very important chapter for all of you. Next, there is the hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are also very important. Hydrocarbons, in hydrocarbons there is 1 to 2 questions here, also 1 to 2 questions come, and 4 to 8 marks. There is 4 to 8 marks recommended for that chapter. So if you want to study hydrocarbons very well, then you just go to my playlist. There I also make the recommended video over the hydrocarbons, and where you have to go and check that playlist to get that videos. That is completely free for all of you. Next, that is the oxidation reduction. This is also a chemical reaction based questions. Chemical reaction based question, you just have to know the mechanisms. You don't know the product, the reactant, the all these things, product, reactant. So you just know, if you know that all just things, then you cannot reach the questions in JEE main exam. You have to know the mechanism. So from mechanism type of point of view, you just get one questions which is in the 4 marks, which will have the 4 marks, and the environmental chemistry, which is one of the last chapter. Here the most of the students skip, but here the 4 marks you can get from that chapter. This is a very easy chapter. You just read that chapter because this is very easy, and give him you the 4 marks, which is a very vital. There is a lot of students. Almost, if you understand that 50,000 students or 40,000 students cannot clear their JEE main exam only for 4 marks. So you don't miss that chapters. You have to read the environmental chemistry chapter and get the 4 marks. So in this session, just the organic chemistry. In next, just discuss the last topic, which is the physical chemistry. So just we'll talking about the organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. But dear students, you have to remember, if you want to crack JEE main with the help of chemistry subject, then the our third topic, which is the subtopic under the chemistry, it is the physical chemistry. It is one of the best and it is one of the greatest era which you give the number, which you take the number, a lots of number here. So from here, there's a lots of question come. So students who are in 11th, class 11, or for the students who are class 12, I just recommend you, I just told you, you must have to careful look about the physical chemistry topics. Okay, so in physical chemistry topic, that is the atomic structure comes. So if you say there is some topics which is interrelated between inorganic chemistry and physical chemistry, I just told you that aromatic structure. Some of the teachers told you that aromatic structure is under the inorganic chemistry. It is true, but it is also true it is under the physical chemistry. You just under any topic, you just have to read that chapter. And another one thing, the chemical kinetics. I told you the chemical kinetics under the inorganic chemistry section, but it is also included in physical chemistry section. So you just read that chapter. But in division, sometimes some chapters are also in inorganic and also in physical. But you just have to know the main concept of that chapter. Okay, so we'll start. So next, the aromatic structure. Here the aromatic structure, you see the one question in every year, and the question, and if you follow our lectures, I told you, I guaranteed you, I just give you the suggestion before the exam, that from where this 1 to 2 question from that chapter comes. There is a 1 to 2 questions comes from that chapter. I just clearly told you that which is those questions, from where the questions come under the aromatic structure, and I am sure that I will give the common questions for you for JEE main. So just follow our classes, must just follow Akash education. So aromatic structures, 1 to 2 questions, 4 to 8 marks. Here the chemical equilibrium, once again important chapter, 1 questions every year. This is a common, every year comes in the 4 numbers. Electrochemistry, this is the best topic. You have to give him the 3-star. Because this is your 3-star topic, where you can get the 4 to 5 questions, means 20 numbers. You understand how much kind of number this chapter give you. You must look over this chapter. Next, the gaseous state, another important chapter, 1 questions, 4 marks, and the mole concepts, once again important chapter. Here you can get the 2 questions, where you can get 8 marks. Okay, so you can get 8 marks from that chapter. So we just talk about the top 5 topics, and after that our 6 topic in physical chemistry, which is the solid state. Here is a very important chapter. Look at it is a very easy chapter. The crystal structure, the NaCl, CaCl, sodium chloride, sodium chloride, woodsite, that kind of structures come in your exam. I just clearly told you that which is the main topics under the solid state. You just follow Akash Time Education, and if you want to read solid state, then go to my playlist. There I also make the video over the solid state. It's a very important video for all of you. Here 1 to 2 questions between 4 to 8 marks come from the topic. Again, for the solution and colligative properties, there is 1 question between 4 marks almost come here, and the last topic here you just have to read this topic must carefully. This is your once again 3-star topic. Like electrochemistry, he give you almost 16 to 20 marks, and this topic, the thermochemistry and thermodynamics, here this topic also give you 12 to 15 marks, 16 marks. This topic is also very important. The thermochemistry and thermodynamics. The thermodynamics here 3 to 4 question in every year consecutively. That is every year the 3 to 4 question come in this topic. You just read this topic very carefully. You not left this topic. Many students has I see that who just quit this topic because this is some hard topic, but you just read this topic, then you can get 12 to 16 marks. So these topics, the electrochemistry, the thermochemistry, the thermodynamics, these topics help you to clear your JEE Main, because almost from these 2 topics you can get 30 to 35 marks, which is a huge number in the concept of JEE Main cutoff marks. Okay, so if this video is helpful for you, just share with your friends and give them and understand them which chapter is important for you and which chapters are important. You just share with them this video, and if you also are helpful for you, then like this video and also comment which is your problem, then I will solve the problem in my next lecture. Thank you.